This is the 0910 memory card case by Pelican. I got this for my SD cards. So this holds 4 additional SD cards just like the top, but you can replace this and swap it out with, what this allows me to do is I can have compact flash cards because I use those as well sometimes. Put that on the bottom and the case still closes up fine. This is a bit bulky. It's a hard plastic. The rubber on the inside, very sturdy. It's supposedly water resistant. It has a water resistant seal when you lock it. Solid case. With SD cards being so small like this, I'm always afraid of losing it. This is like the size of a quarter. Having something this easy to lose, that's $60 to $80, that's not fun. So having this Pelican case, which is much larger, I don't have to worry as much because I have all my SD cards in this case. So that way, when I lose this case, I'm really screwed.